my friends, the Stamps of Life is going to Texas. We love Texas. Let me tell you, we're going to be in Irving, Texas at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo Friday and Saturday, April 17th and 18th. Now, we're going to have all of our newest products there, our stamps, our dies, our ink pads, our new bags, our new club buttons. It is going to be a blast. We're even teaching classes there. So make sure you come see us April 17th and 18th. Club members, of course, you're going to get the club discount in the booth. And if you're not in the club, don't worry, we can take care of that. We got you covered. We can get you signed up and your 15% discount would start immediately, which is even better. So come see us April 17th and 18th. Sign up for a class because our class is amazing this year. So much fun. We'll see you there. Bye-bye.